Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. Suppose the structural model of an economy is given by C is equal to 100 plus 0.75 YD, I is equal to 200, G is equal to T is equal to 100, TR is equal to 50. Find the equilibrium level of income. Now you need to keep in mind that the equilibrium level of income is Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Okay, and what you also need to keep in mind, what you also need to keep in mind is that uh, we've been given a formula for C, we've been given I, and as far as G is concerned, we know that G is 100. Right? We know that G is 100. Now, we can go ahead and substitute on this basis where we can say that Y is equal to C, which is 100 plus 0.75 Y. Okay, YD. Okay, we've been given YD, and I'm just going to go ahead and substitute first. So I know that I is 200 and G is 100. What you also need to keep in mind is that when we talk about disposable income or YD, okay, so YD is equal to Y, which is income. Okay, so disposable income is what? Income minus tax. But we don't just have tax, we also have transfer payment. All right, so tax is when money is going out of the economy. Transfer payment is when it is being pumped back into the economy. So now if I have to expand this, I have 100 plus 0.75 open bracket Y minus tax, which is 100, okay, plus transfer payment, which is 50. So minus 100 plus 50, okay, and I mean, we should have started adding by now, but I'll do it next. Okay, what plus 100. So next step, I say that y is equal to 100 plus 200 plus 100, which is 400. Let me just add that up first. 400 plus 0.75 y. And then we have 150. Okay, 150. So minus 100 plus 50 is going to be minus 50 minus 15 to 0.75. I think is the fastest way to go about it. So 0.75 into 50 gives me 37.5. Okay, and since 100 is a larger number, it's going to be minus 37.5. And then I have 400 minus 37.5. Okay, so 400, let's see, 400 minus 37.5 gives me 362.5. Okay, and at the same time, I've got 0.75y over here. So it's going to be y minus 0.75y is equal to, and I can then simply write down what was already calculated. I'm doing it again, minus 37.5. Okay, so I have 362.5. Now, y minus 0.75y, how did I get this? Was addition, it goes that side, it becomes subtraction. And this is as good as saying 1y minus 0.75y, which is 0.25y is equal to 362.5. Now this 0.25 over here is multiplication, goes that side, it becomes division. So we got y is equal to 362.5 divided by 0.25, which is as good as multiplying by 4. But when we have a calculator, don't bother with all of that. Okay, so we will take 362.5. We will take 362.5 and divide it by 0.25. That's it. Okay, so we get y is equal to 1450. Therefore, equilibrium level of income. Okay, your equilibrium level of income is 1450. Okay, and with that, we are done with the question. Any doubts, feel free to ask.